Hello.
Hello, hi. How are you?
How? Yeah, I'm good, ma'am. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking me.
Okay, so let's start our introduction. So
Okay,
shall I start?
sure.
Yeah.
Tell me about
Uh,
you.
yeah. My name is Kaiser Alam, and I am from West Bengal in India. So currently, I am studying in Open University. This year is last year in graduation level. And besides, I just work in soap. So that is my work, and that is my way of learning. And I'm just love to speak. That's why I'm here to talk right now. So tell me something more about you, ma'am.
Okay, I will tell you. You are working. Where you are working?
Yes, last 2 years I worked in office, and after that I
Stop.
changed that office. I changed in a Tata Motors company as a salesman, but that job I also left, and now I am working in a soap, that is like aluminum steel soap.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will tell you myself. Yeah, my name is Ceci. I am from Andhra Pradesh. It is the south
Mhm.
part of India. Already you
Mhm.
know. Yeah, I am a housewife and
Mhm.
a YouTuber. I upload conversation videos and I'm practicing videos in my
Mhm.
channel.
Okay, yes,
Yes,
that's
I'm
really nice.
learning. Yes, still I am learning and
Okay. Okay, okay. Still, not only for you are learning, even me, I'm also learning stage, and that that is the reason we are here to connect to each other, and we are trying to talk more things for better fluency, better speaking journey purpose. Then we will reach our level whatever we want in our life for speaking journey purpose. So that is the main reason we are here. So as your opinion, you are also doing a good YouTube channel. So tell me, how long have you been practicing English, and how long have you been uploading your video on your YouTube channel?
yeah, I started my YouTube channel in 2020. Yeah, in that time it is the lockdown time. I think so. In June, I think so.
Okay.
June.
So
That time all are in a safe place at the home. So I
yes.
have thought to upload videos, my
Mm-hmm.
learning English videos in YouTube. So those
Okay.
videos are helpful to others who are learning from home, especially
Yes.
ladies who are at
Yes.
home.
Yes. Definitely. Like
So I started
you
my channel.
can do, then why others, women or men, why can't they? Because as everyone can see whatever you share in your channel, they can motivate your way of speaking, your way of transforming in English language. So this is really big advantage for others who is really want to speak better. So this is really helpful for others, these types of videos.
Yes, before I start my channel, I have so
Yeah.
nervous to speak to others. I start practicing in
Okay.
family. Yeah, I start
Okay.
practicing with the tutors from
Okay.
US, UK,
Okay.
Japan, so
Mhm.
different places. So regularly
Okay.
I'm practicing with tutors. So first
Mhm.
I overcome my shy feeling and my nerves. I speak whatever it is. It is wrong or right, wrong or right.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. So I
So,
just yeah. Tell me.
yeah, go ahead.
I overcome my shy feeling. That's I telling you.
Yes, yes. That is your advantage. That is your, I can say, you maybe promise yourself that you will be reach your speaking journey, whatever the condition you face in past time, but still you are transforming yourself in English journey purpose. So this is really biggest thing. I thought that as a housewife you started making these types of video, and you are I can say improving, and you are sharing your thoughts with others. So it's really, no one can do such types of activity as a housewife, but you are doing. This is really
Yes.
good. This is really benefit others. This is really need, especially for young generation, especially for all India. So it's really benefit a lot for young generation.
Yes, thank you. You know, a lot of people have same problem like me.
Yeah.
So they have skills to understand, but at the point of view, they are not speaking out. The words
Okay.
are missing. So I think they are taking a motivational from me. So I started
So
my channel.
okay, yes, that. So in this duration period, you talk a lots of tutor, you talk a lots of students as your friends. So how your experience? So share me some experience, how you overcome all these things, and you are still practicing. How you manage everything as a housewife.
Sure, I will tell you. So at the point of view, I talk with tutors. Every tutor, they are everyone told me that every time you have to practice with others, and you speak out.
Okay.
So I'm practicing like that, and also I manage those things at the point of working in YouTube.
Okay.
So and when my baby is sleeping, so I
Okay.
work in my mobile or in my
Okay.
laptop.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I take classes in my free time. So
Mm-hmm.
sometimes I take classes in midnight also at 12 o'clock. Sometimes it's 1 o'clock.
Mm. So
So
I
it's first.
realize that how much curious you are that in English language.
Yes,
But
first how
still, I can say where you are living, there is maybe no need to speak others in English language, but your achievement, your way of talking, that's unbelievable, because you consume your time, you spend your time for running purpose, and you also build a good YouTube channel. So this really remarkable, according to me, madam.
Thank you.
So just tell me, in beginning time, how people overcome these types of English journey purpose, how people can manage time, how people can speak better. What you think about this language purpose?
Sure, I will share my experience. First, at the point of beginners, first
Yeah.
they have interest. First, they have interest. I have to learn English. I have to learn English at the toughest time.
Okay.
Sometimes they are what you say uh, there are
Lots of problem
lot of
happen.
yes problems. So, but at the every time they must have interest to
Yeah.
speak
Yeah.
I at the one day I have to become a fluent English
Yeah.
student
Yeah.
or
Yes.
student whatever. First they have interest. So
Yeah.
first, then they don't have any fear and shy nervous. They are overcome that first. So
Okay.
they speak out are right or wrong. So whatever it is. because language is but transferring and understanding to each other. Do not maintain grammar, just understanding purpose only. It is the
Okay.
one skill, communication skill.
Yeah, okay.
It's my advice.
Okay. So just as your opinion, so we have to focus our speaking purpose. We have to focus our interest purpose. So if I ask you, in future, you already done your channel in good place. So in future, what is your future plan? Like you were doing a good job, you were learning. Suppose you completed your course, you reach your level about in fluency in English. So in future, what is your plan?
My planning is like the same. What I do now. So in future, I am also doing the same.
Okay.
Yes.
So
So
you
yeah.
okay, you will teach your child with good way. You will teach your surroundings good, uh, I can say good manner way.
Yes, I teach to my subscribers and my relatives, friends.
So
That
you are the only one, you are motivator in your surrounding.
yes, it's myself, self-motivated.
Yeah, and not only for on self, you are motivating others through your channel, through your way of talking. So it's really neat. It's really neat for actually whatever the work we are doing. So we need to motivation. Without motivation, without taking care, it's not possible to reach any toughest level. So so just in a few minutes, you can share your opinion about English journey. So if you want to share something more, so you can.
English is very easy.
Okay.
Everyone saying that English is so hard, so I am
Okay.
not speaking. So,
Yes.
but it's not correct. You have any interest, you have any thoughts and any plannings in your mind, then English is very easy.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. About your opinion, I am really glad to talk today that I have chance to talk as a good man who is from Andhra Pradesh. It's really fortunate moment that only for English, make us uh, friend for only English language. Without English, it's not possible to meet to each other, and
Yes, yes.
only English makes us friend and makes us happy for learning purpose, and we will reach our level in English language purpose, and we will see our journey because as we are friend, as we are learner, because this is the good procedure, this is the good skill everyone have to learn, but everyone not have too much patience to learning purpose, but we have, that's why we are here, and we will reach our level upcoming days, and we will see more, and we will see another time. If you wish, if I wish, we will talk more and more. So
Sure.
it's been a good conversation to each other, madam. So thank you so much for
So I thank
having
you.
conversation with
My
me.
pleasure. Have a good and nice day.
Yeah, good day, madam. Bye bye.
Bye.